welcome back to today's video. I am coming at you with yet another colorful, fun look. We're all about the color on my channel, and I am really excited because today's video is actually in collaboration with Juvia'S Place. So thank you so much to Juvia'S Place for working with me on today's video. I feel so honored and like really just wow, I'm blown away. So thank you guys as always for your support and for watching my videos. And this is actually my first time trying out Juvia'S Place. I can't believe I'm saying that, but I'm coming in with a bang, baby, because I have a really amazing collection from them to share with you guys. It's their new Culture collection. Now, if you remember, I believe it was last week, I did like a little shopping vlog in store at Ulta to share with you guys the new Culture collection. So you got a sneak preview there. So today I'm actually playing with the collection and it is so pretty. This is the palette. I can't wait to share with you guys what it looks like, but I am wearing it today on my eyes, and spoiler alert, I am absolutely in love with this eye look. See how I got this look. More details about the new Culture collection from Juvia'S Place. Just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and let's get right on into it. I actually did a like shop with me because the whole collection is available at Ulta, and now I'm actually going to be testing out the eyeshadows today. So here is the palette. Really fun graphic detail. My camera kept falling down, so I had to adjust it. But anyways, this is the gorgeous color scheme. A huge variety here. We have mattes, we have shimmers, we have pressed glitters. Oh my gosh, like I am so inspired by these colors. So I just did the Care Bears collection, that was colorful, but this is, wow, this is even more colorful. So much to play with here. We have bright pinks, bright blues, bright matte purples. I'm like kind of overwhelmed trying to decide what kind of look to do and what color scheme to go for. Also, Juvia'S Place has 20% off on their website right now in case you guys need a coupon to order. So just to give you a quick description, it says, join us as we explore the beautiful horizons and depths of cultural escapade. Unleash your fiercest eyeshadow looks with its expansive array of 30 bold and intense shades. We are heavily inspired by the craftsmanship of West African masks, which embody traditional culture and are used in ceremonial activities. To play around with these colors. You guys, what should I do? I'm like always leaning towards pinks and purples because I feel like I feel the most confident wearing those colors. So maybe I'll lean more towards that. And this palette is $36, 20% off on their website. And then the next thing that they sent me in the collection are these gorgeous liquid eyeshadows. So there's 4 shades. You might remember seeing these in that little YouTube short video I did. So we have 4 shades. And I will show you guys what these look like. This one is my favorite. It's Fula. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It's this really beautiful like duochrome iridescent shade. So pretty. I can't wait to wear this one. It flashes purple and blue. It is super beautiful. Look at that. I live for it. This one is Kente. I really hope I'm saying these right. They're like traditional African names, so I hope I'm not messing them up. This one is like a very fun copper color. This one is Ankara, which is another gorgeous shade. I don't know why I keep like saying it. They're a duochrome shade, like they're all duochromes, but oh my goodness, these are so pretty. These remind me a lot of the Natasha Denona. You guys see that? It flashes like blue and green. This one is Afrochella, and this one is like a reddish gold shade. It's giving me major like sunset vibes. It's kind of similar to the second one, except it has a little bit more red in it right there. So you can see that one and this one, they're very similar. Benin, and I really hope I say all these names right. It's this really fun matte pink, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the crease with a big fluffy brush, and this is already giving such nice pigment. I still can't believe this is my first time trying Juvia'S Place eyeshadows. Like, I've heard so many amazing things about the brand and I've always wanted to try them. I just never got a chance to. So to be able to receive this collection was so cool, and I really was excited to try out a new, for me, and not for everyone else, but for me, a new brand and see like, you know, how their formula is and what kind of look I can create using their palettes. They are known for being, just as you can see, super fun, super colorful, and vibrant. All the colorful looks on my YouTube channel recently. No neutral, gang, this week at least. I'm sure next week I'll go back to neutrals, but I'm having fun playing with these colors. With this bright pink shade called Kobo, and I'm using just like a brush like this. I always use these kind of brushes in the outer corner, and I'm just going to tap this on like this. I find that I get more coverage when I do that. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm such a sucker for bright pink eyeshadows. This will probably like end up staining my lid till tomorrow. That happened 2 months before. I used a bright pink and then the next day my eyes were like bright, like even after I took it off it was like bright pink eyelid, and I was like, oh my gosh, people are gonna think that I'm like severely ill or something. Gosh, this pink is so pretty. Oh my goodness gracious, I love this. A bit of this shade Calabari and put that in the center of the lid. This is another like bright pink, kind of like flamingo shade, if you will. Oh my goodness, wow, that is so pretty. I feel like a flamingo right now. I'm kind of here for it. These shades on, they are applying beautifully. Like, I am very, very much impressed by the pigment and the ease of these bright colors. Like, wow, it is really, really good. People are not kidding around with Juvia'S Place. Like, their eyeshadow quality is very good. Go and add some concealer to carve out this front section for our lightest shade. You guys know I always do this. This is like, I'm like a broken record, but I just love carving out the eye. Then for that little space I carved out, I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous shade. It's called Efik, and it is, I love colors like this. It's like a baby pink with shimmer. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Has also like that kind of duochrome effect. I'm just using the same little tiny brush, and I'm just gonna put that right where we put that concealer. So pretty. And I'm just trying to blend this into that pink shade. This matte one right here and put that on the lower lash line for a fun pop of color. I just love pairing pink and purple together. Okay, this went on nice. Other looks I can create with this palette, it's endless. Like, the options are endless. Go in with the shade Fula, which is one of my favorite duochromes from this collection, and I want to put this on the inner corner. A little bit of my white pencil so I have a base to work with, and then take Fula and just, yes, dab it on. I'm just connecting it also with that purple on the lower lash line. Edge. I'm just adding a little more of that light pink shade into the crease because I feel like I lost a little bit, which is very normal. I always go back in and add. I'm also just going to add a little bit of this sparkle shade Calabash. With my finger, I'm gonna take some and tap it right on the center for just a fun pop. Literally just like that. So pretty. I've really been loving these like pressed glitters, which is so funny because I never thought I would. Now I'm like all about the pressed glitters. My goodness, I love this. This is so fun. Like I'm literally having such a good time playing with this palette, and it's really making me more adventurous and more into the colorful looks. Like I feel like it makes me step out of my comfort zone and just have fun. Like the colors here, I might as well enjoy it, you know? Well, enjoy it now. Like why not, basically is what I'm saying. Why not enjoy the fun colored looks? Love this, but obviously it's still incomplete. I need to go ahead and do eyeliner. Add this felt tip liner. This is the Touch and Soul Nonstop Swift Black Liner. It is a brush tip, which is, as you guys know, my personal favorite liner ever. A classic wing. There is my classic wing. I'm gonna go ahead and do one on the other eye off camera. Guys, I finished up the rest of my makeup and this is the final look. I went and filmed like a couple other little TikTok videos in the meantime that I had to do. I love this eyeshadow look. I feel so fun. Oh my goodness, I'm super impressed with my first Juvia's Place palette. You guys, this is amazing. Like if you are wanting a really fun, pigmented, great quality, colorful palette, highly recommend picking up the Culture palette from Juvia's Place. Like it's so much fun. I can see this being like my go-to fun, sparkly, colorful palette because I was able to create this look so seamlessly. Like I had no issues blending out any of the colors. They weren't chalky. They were just such nice quality. And I of course will show you guys what this looks like close up so you can see it a little bit better. Loved using these duochromes. Granted, I only used one, the lighter like purpley white color. So I'm excited to try out the rest of these on a different day. I only have 2 eyeballs, so I'll have to try them out later on. But from what I swatched and what I saw with this one, so pretty. I definitely want to use this all over the lid. I just loved this lid color I used today, so I didn't want to cover it up. That's why I only did this on the inner corner. So these are also all available at Ulta. I will link them for you guys if you want to check them out. They are definitely, I would say, dupes for the Natasha Denona ones for a cheaper price tag. The liquid glitter shadows are $15, so they are affordable. Here is a close-up on the eye look. I just absolutely love it. It is so fun. I'm really glad I did the pink, the pop of purple on the lower lash line, and there are like so many other looks I want to create with this palette, so I'm very happy to try it out again and do more looks. But this is just one that I came up with and it's so fun. Like you don't have to be afraid of color. This palette makes it really easy to do. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this look. It honestly wasn't even hard at all. Like I really didn't have to try too much to create this. I love it. I am not gonna want to take this off today. So thank you again to Juvia's Place for working with me on today's video. I feel so honored that I was able to do this collection little mini review for you guys and tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to check this collection out, again, it is all available in Ulta stores and on Ulta.com. It will be in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.